Hi friends, welcome to the new video, and in this new video we will get to know about the first person in India male category. Who is the first Indian to go into space? Answer: Rakesh Sharma. Who is the first Indian to get Nobel Prize in Physics? Answer: C.V. Raman. Who is the first President of Independent India? Answer: Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who is the first Vice President of India? Answer: Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Who is the first Prime Minister of India? Answer: Jawaharlal Nehru. Who is the first Indian to get Nobel Prize in Economics? Answer: Amartya Sen. Who is the first Muslim President of India? Answer: Dr. Zakir Hussain. Who is the first Deputy Prime Minister of India? Answer: Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Who is the first Indian pilot? Answer: J.R.D. Tata. Who is the first Indian to cross English Channel? Answer: Mihir Sen. Who is the first Law Minister of India? Answer: B.R. Ambedkar. Who is the first Chief Election Commissioner of India? Answer: Sukumar Sen. Who is the first Education Minister of India? Answer: Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Who is the first Defence Minister of India? Answer: Baldev Singh. Who is the first Field Marshal of India? Answer: S.H.F. Manekshaw. Who is the first person to get Paramveer Chakra? Answer: Major Somnath Sharma. Who is the first Indian member of the Viceroy's Executive Council? Answer: S.P. Sinha. Who is the first Indian to join Indian Civil Services? Answer: Satyendranath Tagore. Who is the first Judge of International Court of Justice? Answer: Dr. Nagendra Singh. Who is the first Chief Justice of India? Answer: Harilal Jaikania. Who is the first Speaker of Lok Sabha? Answer: Ganesh Vasudev Malvankar. Who is the first Muslim President of Indian National Congress? Answer: Badruddin Tayebji. Who is the first Indian Governor General of Free India? Answer: Chakravarti Rajagopalachari. Who is the first Viceroy of India? Answer: Lord Canning. Who is the first man to introduce printing press in India? Answer: James Hickey. Who is the first Indian to get Bharat Ratna? Answer: Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Who is the first Indian to get Nishan-e-Pakistan? Answer: Morarji Desai. Who is the first Indian to win the Nobel Prize in Literature? Answer: Rabindranath Tagore. Who is the first Indian to get Nobel Prize in Economics? Answer: Amartya Sen. Who is the first Indian to get Nobel Prize in Chemistry? Answer: Venkataraman Ramakrishnan. Who is the first Indian to win Oscar for Lifetime Achievement? Answer: Satyajit Ray. Who is the first person to receive Jnanpith Award? Answer: G. Shankara Kurup. Who is the first person to receive Ramon Magsaysay Award? Answer. Acharya Vinoba Bhave. Who is the first person to receive Stalin Prize? Answer. Saifuddin Kirchlu. Who is the first Indian chess grandmaster? Answer. Viswanathan Anand. Who is the first Indian to get Grand Slam title? Answer. Mahesh Bhupathi. Who is the first Indian filmmaker to get Bharat Ratna? Answer. Satyajit Ray. Who is the first Finance Minister of Independent India? Answer. R.K. Shanmugam Chetty. Who is the first person to reach Mount Everest without oxygen? Answer. Sherpa Phu Dorji. Who is the first Attorney General of India? Answer. M.C. Setalvad. Who is the first Comptroller and Auditor General of India? Answer. V. Narahari Rao. Who is the first sports person to get Bharat Ratna? Answer. Sachin Tendulkar. Who is the first foreigner to receive Bharat Ratna? Answer. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Who is the first Indian to get Nobel Prize in Medicine? Answer. Hargobind Khorana. Who is the first Indian to be member of British Parliament? Answer. Dadabhai Naoroji. Who is the first Indian to win Grammy Award? Answer. Pandit Ravi Shankar. Who is the first President of National Human Rights Commission? Answer. Justice Ranganath Mishra. Who is the first Chairman of ISRO? Answer. Vikram Sarabhai. The first to win gold medal in athletics in Olympics? Answer. Neeraj Chopra. Who is the first to win individual gold in Summer Olympics? Answer. Avinav Bindra. Thanks for watching.